Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now there are two ways you can use to turn on your Android phone. You can plug your Android phone to turn it on. And you can also go ahead and press the power button on your Android phone for a few seconds. And once you feel the vibration, then you should see your Android phone turned on. You then need to hang on for a couple of seconds for your Android phone to boot to the home screen, where you can easily type in the Android phone password. So you need to hang on for this. Now, once your Android phone is turned off, swipe up on it and then type in your password and click on continue. Then you should see phone starting. Once your phone started and it loads all your application, then you can now go ahead and start using your Android phone. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on or power on Android phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.